Hello and welcome to part 2 of the Budweiser Smoker Grill restoration. If you haven't seen part 1, go watch it. The video is going to make a lot more sense. But I have painted the base and I've joined them and it looks really good. Oh, excuse me. I kind of got a, well, it's a magazine, but I'm going to use it as a stencil. But anyway, here's where we are right now. And I mean, it looks good. All right, let me get you into the sunlight here. Oh yeah, I mean, it turned out better than I thought. Down here, I'm gonna still touch up on, but that's where the welds were, so it didn't really join all that great, the paint. But this is really what you want to look at. And what I'm gonna try to do is first get you situated in the shade. That way the camera doesn't overheat. Well, that's even better actually. Right here, see where I got the blue and the red joining? It looks really good. I'm quite impressed with myself. Now what I'm gonna do is try to, I just got a random, and try to get like a stencil, okay, something along those lines. I need a piece of paper, not this. Okay. Oh yeah, no, that's gonna work perfectly, or in my mind. We all know it's not gonna work, but we're gonna try. Okay, so that was just a fail. So I got a paintbrush and we're gonna on the paintbrush, and if it doesn't work, it just is. It's gonna work, and I don't care what people say. Go ahead and leave a comment what you think the percent chance of me making this work is. 100%. You are correct, viewers. Is this what you should be doing? No. Is this what I'm gonna do? Yes. Do what I don't do and do what I say. That's the saying, isn't it? I don't know. Okay. This is just not gonna work. What I need is like that much. No. What I need is one of those little ones, but I work at an automotive garage, not a paint shop. Well, what if I did finger painting? You know, that might work. Might not, but it might. Gotta be optimistic sometimes. No. And now I got all that on there. Can you even see this? Yes. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get this, the lid. We're gonna spray paint it, and I can dip the brush on that. Oh yeah. I mean, it ain't gotta look perfect, but I want it to. That's the thing. Why are you doing that? That's what I was afraid of. Okay, all right, cut. We're gonna try again.
Part about painting is doing this part for everybody.
We're doing emergency surgery on the smoker. The white paint apparently strips other paint. That's what we found out. So don't buy Rust-Oleum high heat white if you're putting it on other projects. Situation update, viewers. there's your update. I mean, that's a solid building right there. I mean, pole jack and brake rotors. If you don't hold your building up with pole jacks and brake rotors, then you just don't know what you're doing, folks. You want to know why I'm not worried? Because it's okay.
Because it's okay.
Somebody called the police. We didn't do anything. As far as they know.
Here we go, man.
I mean, Budweiser wanted to paint it green because I guess that's the color of their bottle, but take note, the red, white, and blue, and this is a one of a kind. She's for sale. What do you say, 8 grand?
I'm gonna say 9 grand just for the shits and giggles, man.
You know, 8 or 9 grand, that translates to 89 grand, so
Yeah.
you just come ahead and, you know,
89 grand.
Venmo down below, specify that you have $89,000, and we'll be happy to be really slow in getting it to you. Handle this up there. Sweet. Dry, and we'll come finish the
Photo zoom in.
Yes. We're gonna go get the paint out of our lungs. It'll just be a couple seconds for you, but we're gonna show you put all together. We'll be right back.